Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact Ashley Furniture customer support. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in ashleyfurniture.com/ask-ashley. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Ashley. From this interface you'll be able to ask anything to Ashley. Over here you'll also be able to find various articles. You'll be able to find the section for help and customer service center over here. You'll be able to find the options like order tracking, order history, find store location and hours, frequently asked questions. If you click on these options you'll be able to access the articles from where your question might be answered and your problem might be solved. If not, you can also simply search for the frequently asked questions over here. You can simply click on the search bar and ask your question. But if you really want to contact the customer support, for that what you have to do is scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find the section for contact us. Over here you'll be able to find two options: call us, schedule in-store appointment. So if you want to schedule in-store appointment, simply click on this option, schedule in-store appointment. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the Ashley store near you over here. All you have to do is simply select your country, click on the field of country and select the country over here. Likewise, you can also search by the address or zip code and state. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for address or zip, you'll have to enter the location. If you selected the option for state, you'll have to select a state over here. So simply click on this field, select the state. Now click on this option, find. Now the store locator will locate the stores for you. Simply scroll down. You'll be able to find the locations over here. You can also get the directions if you want. Also, you'll be able to see the address over here. So you can simply visit the store and contact the customer support physically too. If not, you can simply go back. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for call us. All you have to do is click on it. After that, you'll be able to call the Ashley Furniture for support. So like this too, you'll be able to contact the customer support. Also, you'll be able to find the section for credit customer service over here. So if you want to contact the credit customer service, you'll also be able to find the numbers over here. The number for Synchrony Financial is over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to find other numbers for credit customer service. So like this, you'll be able to contact the customer support. So that is how you contact customer support of Ashley Furniture. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.